Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Lock Screen. Following that, click on Screen Lock Type and select one of those login methods, PIN, password or pattern. Now you need to create it. Choose Continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then click on Confirm. Now you can adjust the lock screen notifications however you wish to, and even disable them completely by tapping on blue switcher at the top. In order to switch them back on, click on the same, now grey one. When you're done, click on Done. Then decide if you wish to enable Remote Unlock by selecting Cancel or Turn On. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!